Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your website collects cookies or user data, a cookie banner is required in many regions. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to add a cookie banner on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go to your favorite browser and look for wix.com. Or just go through this website here. As for now, we're gonna go all the way log in using your email address and password. They're gonna take you to this dashboard here, where we're basically gonna go through this settings menu. Okay, we're gonna tap it. Then we will be having multiple options, site domain and SEO here, manage plan, domains, website settings as you see. We're just gonna come and look for basically privacy. Okay, and here it goes, privacy and cookies. So basically we're gonna tap on this one or this option and enable cookie banner. Just turn on show cookie banner, add a cookie consent banner, help your site meet GDPR and CCPA compliance with customizable consent banner and automated cookie scanner powered by industry. So basically all we're gonna do is tap add to site here. And that's it, basically link privacy policy page, attach your privacy policy for basically compliance. Then you gotta save it to your website and publish. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.